Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Illustrator's AI Generator. To begin, open Illustrator and navigate to the Text-to-Vector graphic panel. Here, you'll input a descriptive text prompt detailing the image you wish to create. The AI will then process your request and present you with several unique vector graphic options, typically 3 to 5, allowing you to quickly visualize and select the best fit for your project. Crafting effective prompts is key to great results. Be specific and descriptive, including details about the subject, style, and overall scene. For instance, instead of flower, try a vibrant watercolor poppy with dew drops on its petals in a minimalist style. Experiment with adding adjectives, artistic movements, or even color palettes to guide the AI towards your vision. Once your vector graphic is generated, Illustrator empowers you with full editing control. You can easily select individual paths, anchor points, and shapes to refine their appearance. Adjust colors, modify stroke weights, or change fill properties using the Properties panel. Feel free to combine these AI-generated elements with your existing artwork, seamlessly integrating them into larger compositions. For optimal results, remember to iterate on your prompts. Small adjustments can lead to significantly different outputs. Leverage the Properties panel for quick and precise modifications to your generated graphics. Finally, always save your work and export your finished vector graphics in appropriate formats like SVG or AI, ensuring maximum versatility for your creative projects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.